So, after the successful launch of the James Webb Telescope and Artemis 1, we're heading towards new frontiers. From NASA's groundbreaking plans to the exciting ventures of private space companies. Let's discuss the top 10 future space missions. So, let's start with the return to Earth of OSIRIS-REx at number 1. You might recall when it made history by landing on an asteroid back in 2020. Well, now it's time for its grand finale. OSIRIS-REx has been on a journey back to Earth and carrying a precious sample of asteroid Bennu. In the coming months, this incredible spacecraft is set to re-enter Earth's atmosphere and make a parachute landing at the US Air Force Utah Test and Training Range. The anticipation and excitement is real as it's going to get a giant payload of information. At the second spot, we have NASA's Asteroid Mission. So NASA has its eyes set on this captivating asteroid known as 16 Psyche. This asteroid is not only intriguing but also potentially immensely valuable. After facing some software challenges in 2020 that caused a delay, NASA is now gearing up for this exciting mission. It's all set to launch aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket as low-cost Discovery Classic robot space mission. The primary goal is to unravel the mysteries of 16 Psyche and determine if it truly consists of iron and nickel. The spacecraft will reach its destination Psyche in August 2029, a few years later than what originally planned. Once landed, it will spend over 21 months orbiting the asteroid, meticulously mapping and studying its unique properties. On number 3, we have Europe's new Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, aka the JUICE mission. It's scheduled for launch in 2023. This remarkable spacecraft will reach the Jovian system in 2030. Once there, it will embark on an incredible 3.5-year journey dedicated to exploring and studying Jupiter's captivating moons. Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto will be the focus of JUICE's meticulous examination. Next up is SpaceX orbital flight test of Starship on number 4. So the thing is that there are around 100 launches planned for 2023. So everyone is still wondering if Starship will take off this year or not. This monumental event could happen in the first half of 2023, which is about to be over soon. Now about the Starship, it's even taller than the Saturn V rocket that took NASA to the moon in the past. So it's going to be a big leap forward in space exploration. Then we have Blue Origin's orbital test flight of New Glenn rocket at the 5th spot. So this powerful reusable rocket is designed to reach orbit and give Blue Origin a similar capability as SpaceX. The highly anticipated orbital test flight is scheduled for 2023, although there's a chance it would be delayed until 2024. The success of this test flight is crucial as it would pave the way for Amazon's ambitious Project Jupiter, which aims to launch over 3,000 satellites into space. Coming in at number 6 is the Astrobotics Chandrayaan mission to the lunar surface. This is a highly anticipated mission that will mark the debut space flight of United Launch Alliance's impressive Vulcan Center rocket. While it may not be as massive as NASA's Space Launch System or SpaceX's upcoming Starship, the Vulcan Center is said to be a major player in heavy lift rockets. Well, it's also important because it represents NASA's first commercial space mission to the moon. On board the mission, we have the IRIS rover, the first American rover developed by students, ready to make its history landing on the lunar surface. Up next, at the 7th spot, we have Rocket Lab's Venus Life Finder probe. So, the plan is to send a probe into Venus's atmosphere to search for signs of life and conditions that could support living things in the planet's cloud layer. Rocket Lab's Electron rocket will launch this mission from New Zealand and the probe is expected to reach Venus in October 2023. However, it's a quick visit as the probe will only spend about 5 minutes in the Venus cloud layers, around 48 to 60 kilometers above the surface. On number 8 on our list is the Chandrayaan III lunar rover. So, India is making a comeback to the moon after some interesting missions before. They found water on the moon with Chandrayaan 1 in 2008, but Chandrayaan 2 had a bit of a bumpy landing in 2019. But no worries, we now have Chandrayaan 3. It's like a repeat mission with a lander and a rover heading to Aitken Basin, which is at the moon's south pole. The Indian Space Research Organization, aka ISRO, is all set to launch in the middle of 2023 from their space center in Andhra Pradesh. And you won't believe it, but this mission is gonna cost less than $100 million. Now, at the ninth spot is the Intuitive Machines Lunar Lander. Well, this cool lander, IM-1, is going to launch on SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral. It's a part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Service program, and it's going to be a 14-day mission. The Nova C lander will touch down near collapsed lava tunnel in Lacus Mortis, which is also known as the Lake of Death. It's a big crater located in the moon's ocean of storms. And guess what? Intuitive Machines has something special in store for us. They're going to test a precision landing system during this mission. And finally, we have Boeing Starliner crew flight test on number 10. Now, NASA has already entrusted SpaceX with the task of sending astronauts to the International Space Station using the Crew Dragon capsule. But wait, there's more. Boeing is also in the game with their Starliner spacecraft. However, they need to pass the crew test flight before they can officially join the action. They had a few technical hiccups in the past, but on May 19, 2022, they nailed it. Their uncrewed CST-100 Starliner capsule made a successful trip to the ISS, and now it's time for NASA astronaut Barry Wilmore and Suni Williams to hop on board this delayed but exciting mission and head to the ISS. Well, with that, we've reached the end of our list of top 10 future space missions. Which of these missions are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our new content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.